In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install Zoom on your laptop or desktop device. Now all you need to do is go to Google and then search for install Zoom, and then you'll find this link zoom.us/download. You want to click on that and this will bring you over to the download center on Zoom. Now right here you can download different extensions and different versions of Zoom. Now let's say that you just want the Zoom client for meetings. You click on download right here. It's then going to download a file. As you can see right there, it's right now it's downloading the install file. Once that's done, you can open that and you can pretty much install Zoom and set it up. So I'll just wait for this to download. Okay, there you go. I'm going to click on it. Another program is currently using this file. Okay, so I'm not sure what that's about. Let me just get rid of this website. And right here, I'm going to just go into my documents. I'm going to click on download. And then right there, the Zoom installer, double click, and you can then install Zoom. So right now it's loading and I'll get back to you once all of that is done. And there you go. So I've now installed Zoom. All I need to do next is sign into my account, or I can just join a meeting right away, put in the your meeting ID, and you can then join. So if the video helped you out, please leave a like on the video. Let me know in the comments down below if it works. If not, I'll try to fix that with you. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Have a good day. If this video helped you out, please consider subscribing to my channel to help me grow the largest how-to channel on YouTube. I appreciate it.